EPB is easy to activate with a switch. When the vehicle is stationary, press the brake pedal and pull the switch to turn on EPB. Push the switch to turn it off. When auto hold is on, turning off the engine. Or shifting to P on a slope will automatically engage EPB. Shifting out of P will automatically disengage EPB. If you're having trouble braking with the pedal, you can manually stop the vehicle by pulling and holding the switch until the vehicle comes to a complete stop. For safety, only use manual braking in emergencies.
Kia, movement that inspires.